Hello, today you're looking at an HBS 300 amp 100 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. The unit has been tested, checked out here at Lanco, is in very good working condition. Overall dimensions 30 inches long by 30 inches wide by 53 inches high. It does have a remote control here with 0 to 100 minute ramp timer, digital meters. It does come with a print as well. Unit is wired for 460 volt, 3-phase. Weighs roughly 430 pounds. And we'll come back around here, get the power going for you. And come over here, take a look at the O-scope. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.